Hello, my name is Dan Crone. I'm the project manager and maintenance manager at Express Packaging. We're running in a very harsh environment here, 20 hours a day, and for that I trust only Domino. This is Express Packaging. Customers come to us because they demand quality, lean manufacturing and co-packaging, and innovation. We also go to our vendors and equipment suppliers for the same purposes. We need good equipment and good support. That's what we get from Domino. I'd also like to mention that we are in the Relax program with Domino. They come in and take care of all my printers for me. I just buy the expendables. Thanks, Domino.
Fred Hartzler. I'm the president of Express Packaging. Express Packaging has been in business approximately 30 years. Started growing our business with Fortune 100 companies mostly. We currently have 2 locations in Chicago and 2 in Ohio. We employ about 500 people, where we're capable of running anywhere from 10 to 20 lines per shift. At Express Packaging, we feel that we're the best supplier out there for this kind of flexible market that they need. We don't feel there's anybody that's more committed to food safety and more committed to hitting their schedules on time than we are. Domino has been such a great product because our product's in a very harsh environment. If you use a piece of equipment long enough, you're going to have problems. But when you have a problem, what is the response of the company to support you in that problem? And Domino is just head and shoulders above any other coater that I've used. And so that was what eventually made me go to all Domino, because the service is so important. It's just as important as the daily usage of the equipment is what kind of service can you get from them? How fast do they respond? Not only do they have good products, the people that represent them are just the best in the industry. And that's what gives me so much confidence to use their product, because the customers I'm dealing with do not want excuses, they want results. And that's what I get from Domino.
We have over 60 Domino printers in our plant. I'm here with the 230i thermal transfer, and I like this product because the operator interface is common with the other products and very easy to program.
Our sales manager, Jim, when he came in, introduced me to a program called the Relax program. A program where you actually lease the equipment from Domino, but they come in and set the equipment up, they come in and service the equipment for you, and you're just paying a lease on the equipment. That relieved me of the maintenance that I have to perform, or any coders that I have in here, because they're servicing them, they're coming in and making sure the printer is like it needs to be, and so I don't have a very expensive piece of equipment going down and lines not running because the service isn't there. As a co-packer, you need somebody that's very responsive, because that's what I am to my customers. I'm very responsive to my customers, and that's what Domino has been to us. So I'm extremely pleased with the solutions that Domino brings to all the different problems you can encounter in the co-packing industry, because our business changes daily. And so for that reason, I'd like to say thanks, Domino.